Good morning, welcome to Mr. Wilson's exterior cleaning. Another little natural stone job today. Seems to be all I'm doing at the minute. I'd give anything to be doing a bit of block paving. It's quite bad with the old white spot, black spot. Again, a little bit in there is quite clean because it's a little bit of a, I don't know, summer house, open conservatory type thing. And then all around here, it's quite bad, but we shall get that all cleaned up. Hi David. Afternoon everyone. It's now about 3:30, 4 o'clock, and it's 50-50 whether I won on this one or not. It was quite bad. I mean, if you look down there you can see that's where it's been, so it's bleached the stone underneath and that's the natural colour of the stone, but hopefully that should just weather in with time. Got these, I don't know what that is. It's, I don't know, some sort of calcium build up in the stone or something, but it don't go anywhere. The black spot got treated and then I put it on neat. Still hasn't moved all of it at all. I can't say that it's a perfect job because it's not, but it looks a lot better. Some more of these spots. If somebody knows what they are, I'd love to know, but they've been turbo nozzled, neat hippo juice on them, and had a flat surface cleaner go over them, more hippo juice, and then another turbo nozzle and a rinse down. So this is the toughest black spot in the world. It's got to be. I mean, this little centre bit's come up nice, so different kind of stone. Pretty much the same up here. I mean, compared to what it was when we first started, can't say it's a bad job. Again, all over here you can see where all this would have all been white spot, and it's just bleached underneath. That's how bad it was. But I'm hoping that that's just weathering. Yeah, all done up here. Yeah, turned up and put scaffolding up while we were doing the job. Not ideal, because there'll be spots underneath that now. I did quickly clean before they put it up, but there was no hippo juice down, so there's going to be spots underneath. Just in there. That's all done. Right, it's come up nice in here, it will do because it's undercover. And David's just doing the windows. I think he might need another lesson in window cleaning. That's not great. There we go. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to like and subscribe, that'd be great. If you don't, I won't know, so I won't care. See ya.